We are staying at Port Orleans Riverside. And this is a royal guest room. And we've stayed at Riverside before. We've already have video on it, but we haven't filmed this room before. So we figured it was worth showing you guys. Now it's 2024 race weekend, marathon weekend. And I ran the modified half. But we wanted to kind of talk about that a little bit and then kind of give you a rundown. We've already stayed in it. We got in here like 2 in the morning when we arrived, so it's a little messy, but we wanted to show it to you guys. Some new stuff we haven't seen, like this Hey Disney, which is really neat. It's useful. You can figure out when fireworks are, what the weather is, what time is it. You can ask it all sorts of stuff. It's kind of the same as Amazon Alexa. Kind of neat. It's the first time we've seen it in a Disney room. The theming in here is, princesses and princes. It's definitely heavy on like Princess and the Frog and Tiana. But here's just a quick room, or a quick tour. Bathroom. It's not something you see every day. It's pretty neat that they did that. The genie lamps. Here's the bathroom. Pretty standard tub shower. This is the repackaged. I'm pretty sure it's still the H2O, but it's just they put a Disney label over it. So that's something a little new. Standard moderate room size. Here's all your princess portraits. And then I'm going to show you guys the coolest part of this room in just a second. See if you guys can see this, but the heads of the bed have fireworks displays. It's pretty cool. It's neat to watch, especially when you're going to the bed. The kids like to watch it before they go to sleep. The TV's on, so it has some backlight, but when it's really dark in here, these actually put out quite a bit of light. It's pretty impressive. I don't know, it's just something that's unique to this room. Pretty cool. Something else that they give you is a scroll when you get in. We haven't opened it up to see if it says anything, but I thought that was a cool touch. It might be this one, actually. It might say this. It might be the same letter. But it's just the little touches that Disney adds. It's pretty cool. Anyhow, it's just a quick room tour. We are off to Saratoga Springs next, so see that in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.